Hey everyone! The holiday season is here, and today we're exploring some of the coziest and most festive IKEA finds to make your Christmas extra special. From charming decorations to warm textiles and twinkling lights, these products will help you create a magical holiday atmosphere at home. Let's dive in. Vinterfint Tree Skirt. This multicolored check pattern tree skirt brings a traditional yet playful touch to your holiday setup. It protects your floor from scratches while adding a decorative base that ties the whole tree area together. Perfect for creating a warm, cohesive Christmas corner do. Vinterfint jar with lid. This charming Santa jar adds personality to your holiday treats, hiding snacks under its removable lid. Once empty, it becomes a delightful decor piece for shelves or tables, doubling as a small storage container for little seasonal items. Stråla lampshade. This white diamond-shaped lampshade creates a soft, warm glow, ideal for holiday evenings. Pair it with a stråla cord set to craft a personalized pendant lamp that adds gentle light and a subtle festive atmosphere to your room. Vinterfint calendar candle. This white and red calendar candle lets you enjoy a simple Scandinavian tradition, burning it each day until the next date. It becomes a cozy daily ritual and a charming visual countdown to Christmas. Stråla Snowy Night Lamp. This battery-operated dome lamp casts a warm glow over a miniature snowy landscape, making it a lovely accent for windowsills or coffee tables. With its built-in timer, it lights up automatically, creating an effortless, cozy mood each evening. Stråla Reindeer Decoration. This reindeer-shaped LED decoration is easy to place anywhere, thanks to its battery operation. It provides soft light while consuming significantly less energy, making it a festive and efficient accent for shelves or small holiday displays. Winterfint Snowman Candle. This playful snowman-shaped pillar candle adds charm and warmth to your seasonal decor. It works beautifully on a breakfast table or sideboard, creating a welcoming glow that brightens dark winter mornings and evenings. Vinterfint Bird Decoration. These small wooden birds bring cheerful color to your holiday setup. Their lively tones and simple shapes make them ideal accents for windows, shelves, or table arrangements, especially when paired with other pieces from the Vinterfint line. Vinterfint tin. This set of 3 snowman tins is perfect for storing dry goods, like tea or spices. Their stackable design saves space, and their festive look adds a touch of holiday charm to kitchen shelves or gift giving. Vinterfint Candle Holder. This black metal candle holder for 4 candles offers a clean, modern base for seasonal centerpieces. Its long silhouette works well on dining tables or console tables, allowing you to style it with greenery or ornaments for holiday warmth. Vinterfint Rounded Candlestick. This dark green candlestick holds 4 candles and brings a minimalist yet festive touch to your home. Its rounded shape adds softness to your decor while creating a lovely base for holiday lighting traditions. Stråla Glass Table Lamp. Inspired by classic kerosene lamps, this battery-powered LED piece adds nostalgic charm without the safety concerns. Its warm glow suits windowsills, dining tables, or cozy reading corners, providing gentle light wherever you need it. Stråla LED wreath. This white LED wreath featuring doves is easy to place thanks to its battery operation. It brings soft brightness to doors, windows, or shelves while using significantly less energy. Perfect for creating a subtle, peaceful holiday ambiance quatorze. Stråla box table lamp. This red table lamp emits a gentle, glowing light that instantly warms up any space. Its simple shape makes it easy to style on side tables, bookshelves, or entryway consoles for a soft holiday touch. Vinterfint throw. This multicolor cotton throw offers everyday comfort with a seasonal twist. Soft and breathable, it's perfect for cozying up on the sofa and pairs beautifully with other Vinterfint textiles for a coordinated holiday look. Vinterfint cushion cover. This check pattern cushion cover in cotton velvet enhances your holiday interior with its rich colors and soft texture. It's comfortable, machine washable, and sized for large cushions, making it ideal for lounging, reading. Vinterfint scented candle bauble. This bauble-inspired metal cup candle spreads a warm winter spice scent that instantly feels festive. Once the candle burns out, the decorative container becomes a charming storage piece for small seasonal items. Vinterfint bow ornaments. This set of small red bow ornaments clips securely onto branches, napkins, or gift wrap. They add a cute and cohesive touch to holiday tables or presents, making your decorations feel thoughtful and joyful. Stråla metal tree lamp. This metal tree-shaped decorative lamp spreads a warm light that instantly relaxes a room. Battery operation allows you to place it anywhere, from hallways to windowsills, making it a versatile accent for cozy evenings. Vinterfint candy cane candle. This glass-encased candle features a playful candy cane design and releases a sweet, minty scent that fills your home with holiday cheer. Its decorative container also looks lovely even when the candle is unlit. And that's it for our roundup of IKEA Christmas finds. Which of these festive touches would you love to have in your home this season? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more home decor inspiration and holiday ideas. Happy decorating, and see you in the next video.